my name is Darcy and I work on our customer growth team here at EcoEnclose, and today we're here to talk about the different print capabilities on our boxes. So starting out, we will talk about our post-production print. This is a kind of print method that you would get from ordering a box off of our website. We offer a number of stock colors. We can also accommodate a custom PMS for you as well. Printing post-production would allow for a 1 or 2 color print. Here we have a 1 color print with a full coverage. Another option on our post-production would be our 2 color prints. All boxes that are printed post-production here at EcoEnclose are going to come from a 100% recycled craft corrugate. If you're looking for something a little more intricate, kind of more snazzy design, we would move you over to our high volume production lines, where we have a number of different print options for your design. First off, we talk about the option between a mottled white box, which gives it this white exterior. We can also do a white interior, or we can stick with our classic craft. The trade-offs with a mottled white box is that sourcing white recycled material has become a lot more difficult in the last few years. So most of the time a mottled white box is going to be anywhere from a virgin material up to about 60% recycled content. If you're looking for something that's 100% recycled content, we would definitely advise going with one of our craft options. Starting out on different print options, this is what we would call a flood coat. So it's 100% coverage of your box, and we have options for up to 7 different colors depending on your design. This would be printed flexigraphically with a print plate. Another flexographic print option, while you're still printing on a craft box, we have the ability to get these bright pops of color by adding a little bit of white ink into our custom colors, and it really allows for a nice bright pop on the craft material. Another print method we offer is our digital print. This is really great for either one-time projects, a low volume, or really intricate designs with a lot of different colors. So as you can see, it's a great print quality, really bright and exaggerated colors, and this has a very quick turn time. The only downside with a digital print is it is going to be a much higher unit cost as compared to, say, a flexographic print. Our last print method that we'll talk about is called a lithographic label. And essentially this is like a big sticker that goes onto the top of your corrugate, and it provides a really beautiful, clean surface, a little bit of a gloss finish, and it does become very unit cost effective at very high volumes. So if you have a very intricate design, a lot of different colors, a litho label could be a really great option for you as well. If any of these boxes or designs caught your eye today, give us a call at EcoEnclose. We'll connect you with one of our customer growth team members. The way that the process works is we would hop on the phone, learn a little bit about your company's goals, your sustainability metrics, your aesthetic goals, how we can make sure we're protecting your product best. Once we narrow down some of the details, we'll send you over die lines to collect your design. From there, we'll start our proofing process where you'll receive a digital proof of your artwork. We can also send previous print job examples so you can verify print quality. Once everything is checked off and okay, we'll go into production. The only reason we don't offer physical proof production samples is because of the machinery requirements to run such high volume quantities. Each process for setting up a print plate for, say, a flexographic print can take anywhere from about 1 to 7 hours. And the print plates and tooling associated are usually somewhere in a few $1,000s. That is a one-time investment, and then it belongs to your company moving forward, so we can be super efficient on your unit costs after your initial run. After we get approval on all of your artwork, we'll put you into the production queues, and we're usually looking at anywhere from about 3 to 7 weeks to get those boxes in your hands. All of these options we have discussed have been shipping box options. Another option that we offer is on a retail side of things, a retail box. We can print these flexographic or digitally as well, and we actually have another video posted for you to check out to learn a little bit more about our retail offerings. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today. If you do have absolutely any questions or you're interested in this offering, please reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email. We would love to connect with you on your packaging needs.